Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Power Guy 1 here. I'm doing a custom review with Eagle or the Red Engine from the Railway series. Now, actually, this is exactly like James, but the kid's actually mistaken that James was actually painted black in Railway series book 2. So, we haven't used that this is actually a different engine. So, kind of surprised, and what do you think I did? I repainted. You can see that the bright red color looks better. You can see that the color looks a lot better than the previous one. It's that cat black. And I painted this gray first, then I repaint this red. So, let's give Eagle, or the Red Engine, his run. We're at the railway. Here we got Eagle, one of the old coaches, and here's his run. Here we go. I'm gonna have to upgrade this motor someday when I get older. And here's Eagle's hill climb. Come on, do it. He actually made it, and I will upgrade his motor soon when I get older. So YouTubers, there it is, the custom review of Eagle or the Red Engine from the Railway series, Book 1. And Henry the Green Engine. Now, you can see that I actually did repaint him, as I repeated twice in a row for this video. And he looks magnificent when I repainted him. He looks awesome for me. And what do you think? So, I hope you enjoyed this review. This is Flower Guy 1 here saying thanks for watching and see you soon.